Welcome my friends to the Dobsonian Power channel. Again, totally unpredictable, because 1 hour ago it was fully cloudy the sky, and we have been passing through the worst time of the year here with the weather. Strong storms and everything is a mess. But before the stream, my wife called me and said, I saw already 3 meteors outside. And I went out there and the sky was clear, so I immediately decided to do these live streams to watch the GEMINIDS. Spot on. I will connect the all sky camera for us to watch it. Let me first open SharpCap. This is the passion for the skies. Totally unpredictable. I was going to watch TV, some movie or something, but not anymore. All sky. Let's see if we can hang on without clouds. Well, there are a bit of clouds out there, but the meteors can be seen. Hold on. Again. You see, we have clouds, but hopefully we will get some meteors here. My wife saw 3 meteors. I saw 2 days ago also in an open window, but it was just a few minutes. But now the wind calmed down and hopefully we can see some. And if we catch here meteors, will be recorded forever. So fingers crossed. Hello Quasar. Hello Rita. Antonio Cortes. Yes, Portugal, it's horrible. The weather here is horrible. Algarve, it's horrible also. But now it's going to be better, and hopefully next Saturday I can place the telescope outside. So this is the best place to watch, because it was the place, the region of the sky where my wife saw moments ago 3 meteors in a row, and I saw also 2 days ago. So let's wait a bit, let's leave it rolling, and while it's rolling I will also distribute, make a giveaway with more codes. I still have codes to give away for Astro Art Finland, our sponsor. Discount codes. I know that many of you already discounted the codes buying stuff, which is nice because it's a good discount. And I will be doing that until the end of the year, I think. I still have codes to give away. And it's Christmas. By the way, let me change this to the Christmas. mood. So what I have outside, it's basically this camera. The ZWO-224 attached to an all-sky lens. I didn't see yet a Meteor. Let me check outside how's the weather. We having clouds, but not enough to cover it all. Let's see if we have luck. I'm craving live streaming with you. And GEMINIDS, it's the best shower, meteor shower of the year. Let me check here. (2022) Geminid meteor shower. Tonight it's the night. December 13 and 14 are worth a try. We are trying. The duration will be until from November 19 to December 24, Christmas night. The peak will be in about 4 hours, so we are near the peak. Gemini here, the constellation. We are getting more clouds. I hope they're going away. So the asteroid known as 3200 Phaeton is responsible for the Geminid meteor shower. This differs from most meteor showers, which are caused by comets, not asteroids. So what causes this meteor shower? It's an asteroid. Particles from the asteroid will hit our atmosphere. Okay, now fingers crossed. Thank you, Quasar. Okay, while we are waiting for these clouds to go out, if they get worse, I will have to end the live stream, of course, but hopefully not. We are going to do a giveaway. If people from Europe and the United Kingdom, if there's any here from Europe and United Kingdom, please say me in the chat and I will do a giveaway. I will be using the wheel, which is a web page that I use to randomly pick the winner. The wheel. And as we are a few people today, we are at the middle of the week, of course. Saturday was awful here, the weather was impossible. Actually, since the last live stream, I didn't pick a telescope, I couldn't, because of the weather. So as we are just a few, the chances to win are bigger. If any from Europe and United Kingdom, please say me in the chat. If only one participate, you win straight away. I will be giving away a discount code for AstroArt Finland in Europe. With no time limit, you can use it whenever you want. Okay, we have 2 now, Rita, 3, Daydreamer and DT. As it was unexpected, few people will be here now. And you have more chances. Let me see. While the clouds are rolling in, at least we do the giveaway. Oh, it was so clear. And no wind, I don't know, the wind stopped and the clouds were gone completely. This is unpredictable. So let me check the wheel. So to win, the winner have to send me during the live stream, otherwise you don't win anything. During the live stream, an email to dobsonianpower@gmail.com with your username. Yeah. So let's start. Rita. Daydreamer. Remember, only people from Europe and United Kingdom. They don't ship to United States and outside Europe. Unfortunately. Hopefully in the next year we can get something. Zeluski, Zelus, VFX. And Nakamura. Now let me open the file I have. With the discount codes. We still have clouds. Gosh. Okay, I have a few, so I will give away a €30 discount code. Three, two, one, go! €30. DT, you are the winner. Send me an email. Congratulations. Remember, you have to send me an email, if possible right now. Otherwise, until the end of this live stream. Otherwise, it will not count to you will not receive anything. And when I receive your email, I will reply with a discount code just for you and to use whenever you want. It's very nice because you can use whenever you want. So let me register here. DT 30 euros. Now I will spin the wheel 2 more times. Another one. 3, 2, 1, go! Nakamura! Congratulations again. I think you won already. Another day. Nakamura. I love to give money. Nakamura. I will open my email to check if you... Nakamura, send me the email also. I don't have any email yet. Please only participate if you are from Europe or United Kingdom. Otherwise you are taking the place for other people to win. Let's see the clouds, still clouds. Bad luck, bad luck. Okay, let's spin once more. Good luck for you. Let me just check here. Yeah, this is good fun. 3, 2, 1, go! Daydreamer! Daydreamer, let me register. Okay, we have the 3 winners of the night. Better luck next time for the others. Thank you for participating, but I need the emails. Don't forget. 2. You have to send me an email until the end of the stream to dobsonianpower@gmail.com. Oh, nice. Is it cooled, Rita? What you decided, for a cooled or uncooled? While your answer, I go outside to check the weather. I'm a positive guy, but what I'm seeing right now, it's not very nice outside. Daydreamer, I have your email. I will reply. Hold on. Nakamura, I have your email. Okay, Daydreamer. I sent you already the email. Nakamura. The eyepiece that I bought with my first code just arrived today. Congratulations. I'm very happy for you. Yes, I will be doing these giveaways. I have a few codes, but I will distribute during the rest of the year to boost the Christmas season. Your code. Okay, sent. Nakamura. And now I'm waiting for the email from DT. DT, you have to send me the email because... Oh, it's here. Okay. Okay, okay. Hold on. I got you. You see, this works very well. It has to work, it's an email. Everybody works with email. No tricky things. Let me copy the code. Okay, DT. The email was sent. All the three of you have already a €30 discount code to use as you wish, whenever you want. You don't need to use it right away if you don't have to buy anything now. You can save it for later, next year or so, if you want. Of course, if you know what to buy, and you can, do it right now because the inflation, you know. You're welcome, Daniel. Now let me close the email. Rita, your 294. Okay, it's second hand. Your 294 is the cooled or the uncooled version? Both are good. At least for what we do here to do EAA. Both are good. Good. It's the uncooled. Cooled. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, it's better for you. I said to you before. Because you think in astrophotography and to do longer exposures and you have a Newtonian in an equatorial mount. So it will be better for the future. Hey, Jello Man. We have full clouds in the sky. Oh man, I was craving to watch the sky. Let me check the weather. It's incredible. Stormy all the week. You see, the forecast for today is stormy also. But it was clear. My wife saw 3 meteors outside. And she called me. I went outside and it was clear, without wind, nothing. And suddenly it came again. But I think on Saturday we may have luck. Because usually when there's white clouds here, they are thin clouds and the night is enough for a telescope. So hopefully on Saturday we will be live streaming again, but with a telescope. Look, they are trying to open the clouds, but I will wait a bit more. I will wait a bit more to see if we got luck. This web map of the universe.net. This is what deep space looks like. Now, let me remember. If you are here. We are here. And this is looking back in time. In our universe. And I think we can explore the map. Scroll to travel through the universe. Our galaxy, the Milky Way. This is our universe. Further away. 11.1 billions of years ago. And let me check what I saw other day. Interesting here. Where is it? They have a poster, full, close, near, outer. This is the outer universe. Full. Each tiny dot we are watching here, it's a galaxy. About 200,000 are shown with their actual position and color. Each galaxy contains billions of stars and planets. We are located at the bottom. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just a dot. Looking up, we see that space is filled with galaxies forming a global filamentary structure. Far away from us, higher up in the map, the filaments become harder to see. Why are these colors changing? The universe expands with time. This expansion stretches the wavelength of light. The farther an object, the redder it will appear to us. The map shows two blue to red redshift sequences. One for galaxies, lower half, and one for quasars, upper half. The top of the map reveals the first flash of radiation emitted soon after the Big Bang. 13.7 billion years ago. Today we watch this radiation not as light, but as radio waves, the cosmic microwave background that we all know. It is the edge of the observable universe. Any light emitted beyond that has not yet reached us, as its travel time is longer than the age of the universe. This was the telescope that they used to this work. 2.5 meters wide-angle optical telescope at Apache Point Observatory in New Mexico, United States of America. It's a project it's called the Sloan Digital Sky Survey. For more than 20 years it's been running, and it has observed millions of galaxies. A fraction of all the available data, this is just a fraction, has been used to create this map. And the cosmic microwave background was observed using the Planck Space Telescope by the ESA, European Space Agency. Very interesting. Mapoftheuniverse.net. While I'm waiting for the sky, and it's getting better now. Let me take this out of sight to see if we can have the lucky moment that my wife had moments ago, watching 3 meteors in a row. Lucky girl. 3 in a row. Saw another one. Have you ever taken a picture of a gravitational lens, like the Einstein cross or the double quasar? They are extremely dim and you need a big aperture, something perfect for a Dob. Actually, I have a video that I will be releasing one of these days, where I captured with this telescope with a 12-inch Dobsonian the Hawks object, which is the fainter rare galaxy. It's a ring galaxy, super faint and super hard to capture. You will not see that many times. If you see it, it will be for sure from a Newtonian or a Dobsonian. But I couldn't get any gravitational lens until now. I could get those kind of objects, very faint objects deep in the sky, which are the objects that the Dobsonian telescope is very powerful to do. It's the Dobsonian power.
Dobsonian power.
Okay, we are getting less clouds in the sky. We can see already stars here. This is pointing more or less to over Gemini, the constellation, I think. Let me check in Stellarium. A bit to the north also. What's that? What's that light? Maybe a plane? Could be a plane. So bright. What's this light here? Should be a plane. It's not a meteor, it's a plane. Yes, it's a plane. I can see now. It's split in two. It's a plane. So Nakamura, not yet. Maybe if I got Darker Sky, I'm on Portal 5. By the way, for the ones that don't know, we are here. Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Portal 5. Yes, you will be notified when every time I do a live session, you are notified. If you click on the bell, make sure you click on the bell and that you are subscribed. I think you all are subscribed. And you will be notified. I think some days ago I was doing some tests and you may have received a notification, a fake one. It was me by mistake. Hello, Adam. Tonight was a special night. It's a different night. From Tenerife. Hola, buenas noches. Canariano. Santa Cruz de Tenerife. We have other member. We have a member from Tenerife. Oh, I see you have the map of the shape of the island, the Tenerife island in Canary Islands. Beautiful. I like very much, especially the south. I like both. They are different. The north it's more with vegetation and mountains, and the south it's more dry, but with better beaches. Yes, this is Gemini. Pollux and Castor. I'm pretty sure, let me check. Let me check. Now it's getting better. So the moon is going to appear. It's already getting up over the horizon, above. Yes, the moon will appear right below, right on the bottom. And this is probably at the top right, it's Betelgeuse, the star. Maybe if I point a bit up, but usually they get low here. I will point a bit up the all sky lens. This is also a matter of luck also, because we can't reach all the 36 degree of the sky. Yes, I think this is... hold on. No, this is Orion here, at the right. This is the belt of Orion at the right. And then we have Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse. Capella. And this is Castor and Pollux, maybe. I was wrong. Let's see. Fingers crossed. Now that it's more clear. Yes, we are at the right zone. Capella. Yes, I think this is Capella here. So this is Auriga. This is Mars here at the top. And down here it's the radiant of the Geminids. Pollux and Castor. Pollux and Castor. Geminids, the radiant is over here. So they should be around. Usually I catch more with my eyes here at this zone. I didn't see any comet yet. Any meteor. Yes, Tenerife is also being affected by this weather. You're not the only one. You're not the only one. Believe me. This is... my country is flooded all over the places. Nakamura, yes, you like those things. For everyone interested in the topic of the cosmic microwave background, we actually have a discrepancy between measurements and theory, and even the measurements are not consistent. Yeah, I believe you. Actually, I think we have loads of discrepancies all over the place in science. We are evolving. Of course. As many others. As many others. You know very well. Yeah. Here it's more or less, but these days were horrible, horrible. Hello, CPM. UFO. Look at Mars. Mars is bright, so bright. Yes, I know. I know Tenerife. I was there already. I like very much Spain. I know every place is in Spain. I know. Actually, Canary Islands was one of the places that was on the list for me to move before moving to Algarve. I'm not from here. But then I chose to be here, me and my wife. To settle here. But we never know. We never know. Hello, United Kingdom! Yes, of course. Many British and German people also there. You know the good places where to live. And here in Algarve we have loads of Brits also. And many other foreign people. Actually half of my region is foreign. Yes, I like the south because of the beaches. It's more dry, that island. And the north, they have you have loads of mist, and it's a different weather. It's funny to see. Hello, Astrocada. Anashimandro. He's from Tenerife also. Yes, you are very well represented. Canarians are very nice people. And Canarians are the people that live in Canarias, not the origin. Italian, yes, lots of Italians also. We are everywhere. We are one world. More and more one world. Fortunately. One day countries will be like just a symbol. Nothing more. Hey Linux! Linux is from Linux world. Oh god. I believe you, I believe you. I'm with bad luck with that. But you saw there or here at the monitor? Because if you saw it here, it will be recorded. It's my hope. It was a quick blur. Maybe because of the clouds. The one I saw, I only saw one. This GEMINIDS. It was so strong. That's why I love this Meteor shower. Is the best one. One of the best. Yes. Yes, Astrocade. Hey Tiago, would you say it's possible to observe the Horsehead Nebula through an 8-inch Dob with 8-second exposures from a Bortal 5 with no filter? I've been trying and cannot resolve it. What's your camera? Yes, it's possible. It's very, very possible. What's your camera? Maybe you are not pointing to the right place. And what are you using? Sharp cap. You have to stretch. To use this mini histogram here, use my trick. Here. If you click on the Thunderbolt here at the right, you see mini histogram. You click here and everything will stretch. It will be so bright and you will see the head of the horse. You start by pointing to the Flame Nebula, which is easier. And then you go to the right and down a bit and you will catch it. You have the star. Look, I will show you. I will not point now because I have no telescope outside. But on Saturday, if the weather is fine, we will see the horse head with a 8-inch. Well, I will use a filter because I always use the infrared cut filter with every camera. Let me check if I have here for you to see. I don't have with the 8-inch yet because it's a telescope that I got recently. But let me see one thing here. Maybe can help you. Let's do it like this. You see? You have here Alnitak. You point the telescope to Alnitak, which is easy. Then you will see the flame nebula, and then you go to the right. It depends in the position of the sky. You confirm with the Stellarium or Sky Safari or something. You will turn to the right and you will try to find this region here. They have a triangle, 2 triangles I think, a smaller one. I know because I remember because I watch it loads of times. And then you stretch, you have to stretch it. You have to do this with sharp cap, bang, and it will pop on the screen. If you don't stretch, you may not see it. It should pop without stacking. If you do the stretch, I don't know what's your camera and what's the software. Are you using SharpCap? No, you don't need a light pollution filter. Just do that trick. Use SharpCap and bam, auto stretch here, the Thunderbolt. It will be very super exposed, overexposed, but it will pop without any. You can use 2-second exposures, just watching like this, without live stacking. And then you live stack. You point to the, you center the nebula. You will see next Saturday with this 8-inch. I will use my beginner telescope, my beginner setup, one of the beginner setup I have. Today they told on the news that in USA discovered a new source of energy from the atoms of water, which is more powerful, cheaper and environment friendly. Yeah, loads of news about those kind of stuff, but it's like the cancer. For years I'm listening discoveries of cancer, but they never solved it. They solve the treatments, not the cure. They don't invest on. They invest on things that we better not to talk. Yes, you see the Flame Nebula. You see list on Linux. Try the Flame or Flaming Tree Nebula right next to it. It's much brighter. That one will pop right away. But do that trick. Pedro, bem-vindo. Pedro Fernandes. Hello. That source of energy will allow the spacecraft to go faster. We hope so. It's a matter of time. Until they solve many things they have to solve. You are always welcome here anytime, Tiago. Thank you, thank you. I do astrophotography from Mount Teide. Beautiful. The Vulcan. When I get the chance. It's about an hour drive from my home. And it has fabulous skies. I know they have. In that island, I was above the sky, above the clouds. I remember, with my wife. We are watching down and watching the clouds. It's a very beautiful island with many variety. Thank you. I will come back, maybe. Some Portuguese people went to live to Canarias, to different islands. You have to point first. You have to make sure that you point to the right place. You may have been stacking. You may have been stacking in the wrong place. Let me see the size of your sensor. I don't remember. Let me see. $585. ZWO 585. Here. Resolution. Pixel size 2.9. I want to know the diagonal in millimeters. 12.84. It's half of mine. You should watch better. You should watch very well. Yes, without problems. That camera is a good camera. If I can watch with a 224 without any filter, you want to see the 224. Which has a small sensor. It was my first picture with a 224, I think. You see? Without out of focus, with a small sensor. But if you stretch, you will see this. This is what you have to look for. You see the stars of the triangle? It does a triangle, a kind of a triangle. Many people can't find it because they point to another place, and with small sensors. Yes, just do that trick and you'll be fine. Thank you. Give a like. Like the clouds. Yeah. It's a beautiful nebula. We will do it. We will do it with the 8-inch, with every telescope I have. Yes. It's easy. It's super easy, the flame. And it's right next to the star, the Alnitak. Yeah, it's very difficult. I can't see with the eyepiece here. Ah, thank you. You're welcome here. And tell me if you did it on Saturday. If the weather is fine. Hopefully it will be better than today. Yes, I have a video with the horse head. It's a beautiful video, but I don't know why it's not one of the most viewed. Thank you, Epic Chrome. I'm showing the reality of what we can do with the Dobsonian. Thank you, Pedro. Keep coming back. Oh, that's fine. That's fine, but you have to cut the edges. It will stretch everything. It will be warped, the image. I use always the reducer with... Actually, I will be using that reducer too on Saturday to this nebula. But you will see that I have to cut it because it will stretch. The stars at the edges will be elongated. But it's like that. It's my beginner, inexpensive setup. I want to show the reality. Supposed. With nature we can't predict very well. Everybody is watching meteors, and I think we didn't catch any meteor. I don't know. I have to check later. It's getting worse. I will go outside to check this if it's temporary. Yes, you can share by email. Actually, I remember that we have here a section that we usually do. I have some pictures of people, which is the community pictures.
Community pictures.
Basically, you send me by email to dobsonianpower@gmail.com. Keep sending me. I have some here, and sometimes I show them here in the live streams, your pictures. And it's interesting because we can compare. It doesn't matter if they are not very good, some of them. It doesn't matter at all. Because we can compare and we can help you to evolve also, if you want. To identify certain problems, issues that you may have in a picture. I help you to identify. If it's due, if it's out of focus, if it's gradient, from if it's hot pixels, different situations, vignetting, and I see often people struggle with that kind of identification, and they usually blame other sources, so they can't evolve if they don't identify the source of the problem. And it doesn't matter your telescope. You can send it. It doesn't have to be a Dobsonian telescope. This is to have fun. It's not a contest. Yes, with HBET filter. I have one, as legend says. Yes, I have one. I tried. I have something very nice. Now that the clouds are rolling, I will show you. I have this. This is a filter wheel. A classic filter wheel with 5 positions. So I have 4 filters and one of the position is clear, of course. And I changed this to a button click lock. Because like this, it's low profile. Here the distance, you see, it's lower, the 8, and it allows me to use visually easily with the Dobsonians and also with the camera. But I have the H beta also here. I have a 03 H beta, a UHC, and another one. That one that we almost don't use now. It's the remember me, the to light pollution. I don't remember now. But even with the filter, I can't see it. I tried a lot, me and my wife. A lot. We tried a lot of times. Maybe the object that we try more times, more often. But no way. No way. At least here, in the Portal 5. In my Portal 5. And I have good vision, yet. So Veru, you can send me by email. Let me see if you sent. To Dobsonian Power at gmail.com. Yes, you sent me. iPhone 5. Okay, hold on. I will show you. Let me do the community pictures. To do it right. iPhone 11. Okay. Oh, I can see it. Okay, the clouds are rolling in, so I will do let's do
Community Pictures.
Community pictures. We got a meteor from Veru with the iPhone. I will start by that as we were speaking. Yes, it's true. We can see perfectly here the meteor with the iPhone 11. Veru. Very nice capture. And a hard one to do with the iPhone. GEMINIDS. At least we have a meteor. Now let's see some more pictures. Because I'm stacking pictures here. This one. I remember, you can send me, Veru, if you want, you can send me more pictures. Then I save them at my desktop, at my laptop, and from time to time I show them here. So let me see the older ones I have. From Linux Astro with a Skywatcher 250p, 10-inch Dobsonian Alt-Azimuth go-to telescope, Dobsonian telescope with the SV Boni camera SV305. When you send me the information, I can show it and tell it right. If possible, send me the pictures with the names of the objects. This is Jupiter, of course. 10-inch Dobsonian telescope, SV Boni camera 305. The moon, beautiful, with good details. Linux Astro. Saturn, with its rings. The Cassini division, perfectly seen here. And the bands. This is the Whirlpool, one of the most famous. Whirlpool Galaxy. 10-inch Dobsonian telescope, very nice stars. Very round and sharp. So this was the demonstration of Linux Astro, our friend, with a 10-inch Dobsonian telescope. What do you mean by FL? Focal length? The Dobsonian telescope allows more people to see the beauty of our universe. 100% true. It's what we like. See you, Adam. Thank you. Thank you for being here. It's too late for Europe, especially at the north. Badar Neodymium. L-Extreme. What are you talking about? Very nice pictures, Linux. Yes, good work. Ah, Florida. Okay, Florida. I am not from the United States. My brain is not formatted to identify those two letters of the states. AZ, Arizona. But we are not there, so we... Ah, okay. Brazil, Sandra. Sandra Maria from Brazil. Bem-vinda, Sandra. Ao nosso canal. We only speak English here, but you are welcome. Now let's see. We still have clouds. Let's see another... Linux. Done. Now we have... It's not here today. Let me see one of someone that it's here. Ana Shimandros. 12-inch Dobsonian telescope. From Canarias. one of its first pictures, and they are already getting beautiful. M74, the Phantom Galaxy, a rare galaxy. It's not a very popular one, and it's very nice. Another one, this is Andromeda, for sure. You see what I said to you with the focal reducer? What happened? You get a larger field, a cheap focal reducer. You get a larger field of view. It's good to Andromeda, but you get warped stars. If you cut here, if you cut the image, you cut the distortions at the edges, but you get a smaller image, but brighter. That's the power of a cheap focal reducer. If you want to level up, you buy the Sterizona Nexus, which is the one that I have in the 12-inch Dobsonian. It's this. It's a focal reducer with coma corrector, and you can take this whole picture and bigger, larger, even larger, with all the stars perfect until the edges. It's one of the most well-designed tools for a Newtonian, from Sterizona. The Sterizona Nexus. Excellent work they did. This is the this greenish tint is the light pollution. Probably dew, I don't know. It's light pollution. Here, again the Phantom Galaxy, another one. And this is the Bold's Galaxy and the cigar at the corner. This is light pollution also. This reddish tint. We can solve that with a mini histogram. It's very nice, the Bold's Galaxy. We have to watch it here live also. And the Cigar Galaxy. Suffering from the effect of the focal reducer distortions at the edges, you see. In this case, what I usually do is to capture one at the center and another one at the center. Separated. But it's beautiful to watch them side by side, of course. So this was from Canary Island with a 12-inch Dobsonian telescope. Oof! So many clouds. Anna Shimandros, our channel member. I remember that you can help this project to support this channel with only 99 cents a month, becoming a member. And you can cancel anytime. It's like buying me a coffee, and we are at the coffee having a good time. You are the pillars of this channel for the future. Now, let me check. We have Ray, Mazif, but it's not here. Astronomo, Adam was here. Okay, let's watch Ray. Because he has... Okay, this is with the 8-inch Quattro. I'll be real. This is a double star that I like very much. It's I take the opportunity to recommend this to everybody. This I'll be real. Double star. It's very nice, not only for imaging but also doing visual. They have different colors. One is oranges, reddish, and another blue. So it's beautiful to capture. It's the most beautiful one, at least for me. With a Quattro with a ZWO 2600 MC Pro. Ray has loads of telescopes and stuff, gear, and he likes to change and show us the pictures. Look at this beautiful with a Hell Enhance filter from Optolong, I think. And the 294 Pro camera. It's another camera now. With the Raza 8. He has so much fun changing telescopes. One night with one telescope, one night with another. Or maybe he uses it at the same time. I don't know. I have to ask. Next time he comes here, maybe Saturday. Look at the Crab Nebula, how beautiful it is with the Rasa. The Rasa 8 has a large field of view. It's good for wide field. And it has a low focal length. It's very fast. I think it's f2. Horsehead Nebula and the Flame Nebula and this small nebula here also. With a Quattro. With a camera 2600 MC L Pro filter. It's another filter now. Beautiful. You got some people panic with this kind of aberration or that happens here because of it happens with the bright stars with Newtonians, and it happens with the reflections. It causes this donut you see here. It's not very pronounced here, but sometimes people panic with it. But it's like that. It's some reflections. One thing that I usually do that usually solves is change in the imaging train to change the position of the filters. Sometimes make this issue disappear. So remember that. But it's a beautiful image here. And this is the Dumbbell Nebula. M27. He didn't write the telescope. I suppose it's by the field of view, maybe the Rasa. The same Rasa 8. Beautiful. And this one is very good. Let me check the camera. This camera is very nice. The 2600. Remember, I always suggest the 294. It's the best camera. The 294 for Dobsonian. So the 294. But because it's the best relationship with price and quality, and for us, in a standard level. But of course, a camera like the 2600, it's much better. Okay, and there are cameras that from ZWO that are more expensive, but they are so expensive that I don't recommend them for the regular viewer. That's why I also suggest always the Dobsonian, because it's the best relationship for us and simple setup. Not expensive, simple setup. Look at this beauty. 8-inch Quattro. M33. It's the triangle, no? M33, it's the triangle. Meteor 33. Triangle, yes. Triangle galaxy. This is a beautiful galaxy. I think these are all supernova. No? And that's why the fireworks galaxy, they call the fireworks, because of so many supernova it has. And this is the same, but with the same camera. I don't know if it changed the filter or something, because it has another color, a different color. And this is the Orion Nebula. Maybe, I don't know if it's with a Quattro. And that's it from Ray. Ray, you are a lucky guy, and we are lucky to have you with us most of the time. So, from pictures, I will leave the other ones for another day. And congratulations for the ones that participate in our section, the community pictures. I remember you. Sometimes I forget to tell you. Whenever you want, if you are watching on at the same time with your telescope and you have a camera, you can enter the live stream. Just tell me, I'm watching with my telescope, and I ask you if you want to come in. You don't have to, of course. But if you want to come in, I can place side by side what we are watching and what you are watching, and it will be fun. We did that already a few times here, but sometimes I don't remember to tell you. You are welcome here in the live stream. Or just say hello, something, just show something that you bought or something. Yes, very crispy, very crispy. I think now it's getting better. Let me check outside if it's opening the sky. No, and we are watching the moon already. This is the moon here, this light. It's trying to, but it's full of clouds. We didn't catch any meteor, but it was very, very pleasant moment with you again. I really miss to be with you. If I could, I was all the weeks and more days at the week with you, but hopefully next Saturday I will do my best to. I can't do nothing. Though if the weather is fine, I'm sure I will be here with you again with the 8-inch Dobsonian telescope, probably to watch the Horsehead Nebula finally the first time this year. Thank you very much for being here. Have a very nice rest of the week and clear skies. Thank you.